In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from OkCupid dating app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you no longer need alerts from this app, the best thing to do is to go ahead and put an end or a stop to it. To do so, go ahead and access the app info page of your app, and you can do this by going to settings, and then from settings go to apps, and from your apps look for the option called manage apps or all apps, and then this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list you can see we have our app here, or you can search for your app here. So if you tap on it, you can see now we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back and then look for your app. And once you have found your app, just long press on it and then choose app info. At this point, you'll be taken again to the same app information page and look for the section called permissions, and under it go for notifications. You can see all these notifications are turned on, and that's why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. To stop them, just toggle off these show notifications, and this will go ahead and turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you never again receive alerts from this app unless you go ahead and turn it on. So that's how you can stop pop-up notifications from this OkCupid dating app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.